Yes, it's 5:15 a.m. I'm headed up to pick up my buddy Bob. We're heading up to a Hamfest in Waynesville. Good morning. Yep, we're heading out. It's 5:27. We're heading out here early. Heading to Waynesville, way up here. It's 64 miles away. I'm going to stop in Hendersonville on the way and pick up my buddy Bob. He's also another ham radio operator. We're going to go grab a little something to eat, and then we're headed north. We're headed over here to Waynesville. It's 64 miles away. And essentially, it's a flea market for amateur radios where they bring all their radios and radio parts and all that kind of stuff. So let's hit the road. Kind of interesting, the auto headlights, like most vehicle auto headlights, don't come on until you reach 25. Bam. So it guess keeps the high beams from blinding people when you're driving slow when you first start out. Anyway, heading out here, it's just 5:30. And there's a lot of deer, so I'm not in any big hurry here. Temperature's 73 already. It's 5:30. It's going to be a warm one, I think, today. And it's as dark as the inside of a cow out here, I think. Not many lights. We got here, kitty cat. What are you doing out here, kitty cat? You never know what you'll find here. I think the kitty cat's the only one around here in Columbus this morning, kind of early. Look at that, Scottish breakfast. I think we're going to do one better than Scottish breakfast. Got the Pancake House, I think, where we're headed.
Turn right to take the US 74 West ramp.
Yep, I think Bob and I are going to go to the Pancake House this morning.
Now turn right to take the US 74 West ramp.
Can't see much here, but we're up on Interstate 26 West. Set the autopilot. Yep, we're on autopilot this morning. Just coming into Hendersonville now. Off in Hendersonville here now, headed to my buddy Bob's house. Getting close to Bob's house now. He's quite a bit off the interstate. Yeah, I made it to Bob's house here.
Gotta get a little further up.
Yeah, no, damn. Damn it, Jim.
You'll see that.
Did you ever watch Star Trek?
No, not a Trekkie.
No. All right, there you have it. The Buck Moon. It's pretty large looking through the atmosphere here. There you go. Hey. On to breakfast with Bob. Say hi, Bob.
Hey.
Yeah, we're the only two that are willing to get out in the morning here and get a little breakfast and go to the Hamfest. Anyway, there's the moon. Sorry you can't see a lot of it. Let's see if we can get over here. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Okay.
Like Pledge of Allegiance.
Yeah, so this is my buddy Bob. We're headed to the Hamfest today. Say hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
We're headed westbound now on Interstate 26, which is actually north and south here. We're headed north, heading to Interstate 40, and then we'll head west. We made it onto Interstate 40 now. It's getting a little foggy, but autopilot doesn't care. getting close to the Hamfest now here in Waynesville. Got 7 miles to go. Interesting about these numbers, there's a camera that reads these numbers up on the post, and it tells how thick the fog is in this area. Yeah, we're on Highway 23 now. It's actually 1923, but we're about to get off here at exit 104. We have made it here to the Waynesville Fairgrounds. I think that's what they call it. Haywood County Fairgrounds. And of course you pay to enter the Hamfest here.
I think it's $10 a ticket.
Thanks. Good morning, fine sir.
All right, you need 2 of them?
Yes, sir. 2 of them.
Oh, he's filming this too.
I am.
Are you wanted?
Yeah, are you America's Most Wanted here or what?
Oh, no, not yet.
Not yet.
On our way out, though.
Are these the winning tickets?
They are the winning tickets.
Dude, how about that? Hey, appreciate it. Thank you very
problem.
much.
Hang on, you want your change?
Oh, we need change? How much are they?
Well, they're $8 each.
Oh, shoot, I thought they were $10.
Ah, no.
See, look at that. We got money to buy stuff.
If you want to make a donation,
Yeah,
that's
well,
fine,
it's his
too.
money. That's
No,
awesome.
Sure, why not? then?
Yeah, you
Just go
bet.
ahead and put it in your.
Thank you, Jeff.
Give it back to him. Put him in.
Appreciate it,
Put it
Jeff.
in your donation jar.
All right, you serious?
Yeah,
Yeah.
give
All
it to somebody that doesn't have enough money.
All right,
There
thank
you
you.
go.
All right,
Have a
take
good
care,
day.
guys. See you later. Good man, Bob.
What do you want?
Well, I don't know. You pick one. Which one is the luckiest?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I
Whichever.
can tell you this much: whichever one I keep will be the loser. So
Well,
there you go.
all right. Well, we'll keep that one here. All right. I guess we can park out here. I guess that's where it is.
I'm kind of confused as to how they're going to make this work when there's no numbers on here.
Oh, I don't know. Your name, I think.
Oh, I guess.
Yeah,
I guess you keep this half
you
here.
just put your name in there.
All right, we'll do that inside.
Yep. Oh, yeah. We don't want to do it here. All right, we made it. We're here at the Hamfest. Let's get inside and get stuff we don't need. So the Hamfest is like a flea market out here in the building. That's what's called tailgate area. That's where everybody brings all their gear and tries to sell it. And then in the building is more new stuff on tables. So we'll check it out and see if there's some useless junk I need to buy or not.
Doing well?
Yeah, not bad. This is my buddy Tom. How you doing? How you been?
I've been doing well.
Excellent.
Yeah.
This is what's called a flea market, just like any old flea market. The only difference is there's all kinds of two-way radio gear here. Hams come and they buy stuff and trade it and improve what they have, and in the barn over there is yet more. Let's go have a look. This is the kind of stuff you have at a flea market, two-way radio stuff. And everybody brings out all their parts and pieces and tries to sell everything. And it's a gigantic plethora of radio stuff here. Moreover, it's about seeing your friends you haven't seen for 2 years here, so it's kind of cool. But if there's something you can't do without, here it is. And every kind of parts and piece stuff you've ever seen. Boxes of components, transistors, ICs, you name it, it's here. Either to build stuff from scratch or to repair stuff. Lots and lots of goodies here. And of course there's a catering trailer here, which is great. Get something to drink or eat while you're wandering around the flea market here in Waynesville. So this is indoors. A bunch of tables are available like any flea market. And look at this, some happy guy just bringing a scope and try some other stuff to sell. As you can see, parts, pieces, radios, radio pieces, you name it, are all here inside of the building here at Waynesville. There you go. Bought a bunch of useless stuff. Not really. This is a Nixie tubes frequency counter, and I love things with Nixie tubes. I bought that. I bought this ICOM 2-meter radio for 20 bucks. I bought a TS520 DC power cable for $5. Bob bought his arrangement of useless junk. So we're good to go. We better get out of here before we spend any more.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yeah, on the way home now. We just made it to Interstate 26, all the construction. This is perpetual construction. It's been going for, I don't know, I bet 7 or 8 years now. And they keep screwing around with it. Anyway, here we are in construction. Just dropped Bob off and I'm headed over to Richard's now. I haven't seen him for a few weeks since I've been out of town. Let's check in on Richard. There you go, Sinclair gas station. Gas station of the past. I am on the way home from the Hamfest. I stopped, dropped Bob off, stopped, saw Richard. Richard's back's much better. And I'm heading home, and look at the traffic. Golly, I'll tell you what, the summertime is really bringing folks out. Just going down the Saluda grade here into the lower part coming off the mountain. Just off the interstate here in Columbus. It's been a good day. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.